So guys, here everything is pretty much simple. We do really have strong downward move support at 170.750. It has been broken already. I mean, see, the histogram confirms the selling. Yep, it's time frame for a minute. Going for a short right now. So we bounced down from the Katniss midline, and I expect it lays a move to support. So MACD gives us a clear sell signal, and clearly we're just moving, and we are able to reach the support level and everything. Not the support level, but the lower line of the Katniss channel. Great. So $24 right now. I'm gonna be playing with the whole with the whole bank, with the whole amount, because I don't really have a lot of money right now. Only $13. I had only $13 in that. Now I mean it's only 24. So I have to risk all the money to be able to get more and more, to be able to earn quicker, I would say. Going all in. Playing on Netflix right now, going for short, to be honest, because right now we have a small accumulation, and I personally wait for a breakout of support around 1.253.50, and as later also gives me a short signal, so going for short. Nice. So currently what we have here, first of all, I'm gonna go all in, and I'm gonna go for short. So obviously guys, after a small oversold bounce, price failed to return into the channel and rejected the lower. That's the thing. So good spot for another sell trade. That's another thing. Pretty obvious. Oh my god, come on. Just stop freaking playing with me like this, bro. Like 2 seconds. I guess I'm gonna go for short again, guys, because price couldn't really stay above the Katniss midline, and at the same time we see they're giving me a sell signal. So let's try and see. Let's try and see. Let's try and see. I said. Right. Why am I getting angry? For all the times that you rain in my parade, and all the clubs you getting using my name. You think you broke my heart, you'll go for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, but I ain't. Guys, I know I may be acting so weird, but I'm a good guy. Okay, so 3 seconds there. 2, 1, easy. Flip flop, cause you flip flop. My side, I'm a diamond drifting off of it. McDonald's, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Okay. Ooh, we can see that we kind of bounced from the support. Let's go for long, honestly, because apparently you can see that the price just bounced from the support at $305, and oscillator just gave a buy signal with 304.962619. Guys, have you ever watched wrestling, like WWE against WrestleMania or something, like SmackDown and everything? Wow, the Rey Mysterio, he was like my crush and my idol. I don't know, I was a kid and I was like I'm not that tall, and he was very short, but I'm not that short as him. But anyway, I don't know, I liked him so good. Like, he was so gymnastic, you know, jumping around, flying around. Great, $339. Yeah, thank you. Okay, Intel Core. lately, like the AMD Ryzen processors are being very much popular and famous, but that's all right. So we're going for long right now because we can pretty much, not really obvious, but all right. We can see the price consolidates near the lower channel edge, and oscillator shows a strong buy signal, expecting upward attempt. So based on that and analyzing that upward attempt that may occur, I'm willing to go for long. And analyzing another part of the thing, that price consolidates near the lower channel's edge. That's another thing. Channels. Sometimes I very much doubt myself. Sometimes, guys, there is a saying that once you know a lot of things and you know a lot about something, you start doubting yourself and you start hesitating about your knowledge. This is what pretty much is happening to me almost every day. We got this. I'm not telling that I'm a genius. I'm very smart and something like this. Yes, I am smart. This is what I cannot really lie about. But eventually, you know, I doubt myself pretty much frequently. Boeing 651 going for short. Pretty much obvious. We got some space there. And price couldn't really re-enter the channel. MACD confirms the down move, rejected downward, sell trade. Here we go. Good. It was a bit risky, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Amex, hello Amex. So $1,250. This is what we're trading. This is what we're betting for short. So guys, here everything is pretty much simple. We do really have strong downward move, support at 170.750. It has been broken already. MACD histogram confirms the selling, confirms the sell trade. Easy. Why wouldn't we go there? Going for short. And if we win this, we're gonna be having, I believe, $2,400.73. And this has been made. This will be made from just $13. Not even 30. Just 1 and 3, 13. Which is absolutely crazy and madness, honestly. So I like it. I pretty much like it. Don't make anything stupid in 2 seconds, please. There you go. Thank you. $2,400.73. Freaking good job. From $13, guys. That was like really great. So, in the end of the day, what I'm willing to say that, guys, I'm really very glad that you're having me. You are watching me. I'm really very glad that I have an audience like you guys. That is very, you know, that I do really appreciate it that so much, and really very glad that I have this type of opportunity and this type of chance to be sharing my knowledge and my experience with you guys, and you apparently using it and getting some profits. I'm doing some good things, bringing good things. Link is gonna be in the description below. Do not forget to join it. Everything is for free. Just sharing the thoughts and the information and the experience. Do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know whether you're willing to see and watch more videos about the currency pairs or any type of stocks. Just let me know in the comments so I can adapt the videos and the platforms and everything for you especially. Thank you for watching. Take care. Cheers. See you soon.